Welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at something that manages to capture the golden age of the American road trip while simultaneously embracing the advancements of 21st century engineering. If you have ever found yourself admiring the aesthetic of those classic, rounded aluminum trailers from the 1950s, but dreaded the thought of dealing with 70-year-old wiring, water damage, and heavy steel frames, Gulfstream Coach has a solution that might just be the perfect compromise. We are taking a deep dive into the vintage cruiser 19 ERD, a travel trailer designed specifically to evoke nostalgia without sacrificing modern reliability or towing ease. The concept here is straightforward yet brilliantly executed. Provide the charming, head-turning looks of yesterday with the lightweight construction and technology of today. This is not a restoration project. It is a brand new unit built to bypass the headaches of vintage ownership. Gulfstream has recognized a significant segment of the market that wants style and substance in equal measure, and the vintage cruiser line is their answer. What makes the 19 ERD particularly interesting, beyond its visual appeal, is how incredibly accessible it is for a wide variety of tow vehicles. Let us begin by looking past the retro paint job and focusing on the bones of this trailer, because that is where the modern magic truly happens. The vintage cruiser is not built like your grandfather's camper. Gulfstream utilizes advanced construction techniques featuring vacuum-bonded laminated walls supported by a rigid aluminum frame. Crucially, they incorporate Asdel synthetic substrate in the sidewalls. Unlike traditional wood composites used in many RVs, Asdel is impervious to water, meaning it won't rot, mold, or delaminate if exposed to moisture. This synthetic material is also significantly lighter than wood and offers better insulation properties, adding real long-term value and durability to the rig. Topping it all off is a seamless fiberglass roof, further reducing potential leak points. The result of these material choices is a remarkably lightweight structure. The 19 ERD model comes in with a dry weight of just 3,090 pounds and a hitch weight of roughly 390 pounds. With a total length just over 23 feet, this trailer falls comfortably within the towing capabilities of many mid-size SUVs and light-duty trucks, opening up the RV lifestyle to people who do not want to upgrade to a heavy-duty tow vehicle. Moving to the exterior, the vintage cruiser 19 ERD absolutely nails the theme. It is designed to be a conversation starter at every campground. The visual cues are all there, starting with the classic white wall tires and those iconic moon hubcaps that immediately transport you back in time. The graphics package is striking, featuring swooping lines and bold accent colors, often a vibrant turquoise or teal that define the era. It's a fun, cheerful look that stands in stark contrast to the sea of beige and gray fiberglass boxes currently dominating the market. Yet even on the outside, modern convenience is integrated seamlessly. You get a power tongue jack for easy hookups, magnetic baggage door catches, and a large power awning complete with an LED light strip, perfect for setting the mood on warm evenings. It's also pre-wired for solar panels and a backup camera, ensuring future upgrades are hassle-free. Stepping inside the 19 ERD is where the time machine effect really takes hold. The interior decor is unapologetically retro, embracing a turquoise and cream diner theme that feels authentic and inviting. From the checkered vinyl flooring to the specific patterns on the upholstery and curtains, every detail has been curated to reinforce the 1950s vibe. The cabinetry features a warm wood grain finish with period-appropriate hardware that ties the whole look together. The floor plan itself, the 19 ERD, focuses on a rear dinette layout. This setup places a large booth dinette at the back of the trailer, surrounded by expansive windows that provide excellent views of your surroundings. It's a fantastic spot for meals or a game of cards, and it naturally converts into additional sleeping space when needed. The midsection of the trailer houses the galley and the bathroom. The kitchen, while looking retro, is fully functional for modern camping needs. It features a stainless steel sink with a high arc faucet, a 2-burner stovetop with a cover to maximize counter space, a microwave, and a surprisingly spacious 6 cubic foot double-door refrigerator that runs on both gas and electricity. Opposite the kitchen is the wet bath, which manages to fit a toilet, shower with a curtain, and a power roof vent into a compact space, aided by a skylight that adds headroom and natural light. Up at the front of the trailer is the main sleeping area, featuring a queen-sized bed measuring 60 by 74 inches. It includes ample overhead storage cabinets, shirt closets on either side, and individual reading lights, creating a comfortable retreat at the end of a long day of exploring. Despite the vintage appearance, you are surrounded by modern comfort creatures, including a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, a powerful furnace, a 6-gallon gas-electric water heater, and energy-efficient LED lighting throughout the cabin. Multiple USB ports are strategically placed to keep your modern devices charged, proving that you don't have to disconnect completely to enjoy a retro experience. The vintage Cruiser 19 ERD is a masterful blend of eras, offering a unique, lightweight, and stylish option for couples or small families ready to hit the road with a touch of flair.